guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be playing a special game. A special Sonic game, I should say.
Who likes sanic these days?
And we are here with the Logan Master, New Age.
Mr. Train 666.
Hey. Okay, so we found this game on the Roblox website, and we're just like, huh, looks like a, I guess, decent Sonic game. And look, here Logan is, right here. Hello.
Yes.
Hello, boy.
Sonic knows acrobatics now.
What is this game, dude? Guys, I muted my sound, so there was copyrighted music and
The program.
there it is. Yeah. Oh, oh, what happened?
You Cindy. Nani?
Did you die?
Nope.
Are you okay? Oh.
I'm under here.
Whoa, dude, this is so cool.
Cindy.
Yo, dude, this is so cool. Heh, I made it up here. You did it. I am the better Sonic.
Well, you've been playing this game longer.
No, I haven't.
You have.
I have zero rings, 0 lives, so I can't.
I have the exact same stats last time. Doesn't prove anything.
I have not been playing this game. I swear. I'm out of the water.
Away! Whoa.
Dude, do you want me to smash my keyboard and see what happens?
No.
I'm gonna do it. Wait. Oh, I'm supersonic. Wait, what? Wait, how am I supersonic?
There's a certain button I have to press.
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
I just smacked my keyboard and I'm supersonic now. What is it?
No.
What is the button to get out of supersonic?
Oh, whoa, yeah. Hey, Austin, hey. Whoa.
Where are you? Dude, where are you?
I'm like this, I'm Sweetie Boy Sonic. Hello, I'm kind of up there. Austin, do you see me?
Wait,
Hello.
hello. Woo!
Dude,
Oh my gosh, I go so fast!
You run over.
Woo! Dude, look at me. Okay, so do you see this Sonic? He's walking casually, you know, and then Logan, where are you?
Yes. No.
Logan,
Yes.
where are you? Where are you?
Collecting the ring.
Where are you?
Collecting the ring.
Oh, hello.
So do I go through here? Oh.
Wait, what if I press shift?
That's gonna be
Oh my gosh. Wait, what's happening? Wait. Okay, let me smack my keyboard again. Okay, great. I am back to Sonic. I am not supersonic.
Are you normal Sonic or super
Yeah,
Sonic?
I'm normal Sonic now.
Well, how did you get into super Sonic?
Oh, wait. Oh, it's F. F, you,
Oh, hey. Whoa, wait, so what happens if you go, like, super fast as supersonic? Whoa!
Wait, what happens?
Ah!
Oh my gosh! What's happening? Oh, I'm super fast, boys. Let's go. Woo! Yeah. I can get across the map, no problem. Like, dude, look at me. I ended up in the water. Also, supersonic actually makes for a great lamp.
A lamp?
Yes.
Why are you thinking about lamps in a Sonic game?
I don't know, I was thinking of lamps.
What about rings?
Oh, dude, if you move too fast, it takes out your rings.
Really?
Yeah, like, look at your look at your bottom left. If you move, it gets rid of your rings.
I think that's why you need rings, so you can go faster.
I think you need to,
Yeah, it takes your rings as supersonic. Like an insane amount, too.
Yeah, dude. Oh my gosh. I'm getting rings right now.
Whoa.
Wait, dude, I see a box over at this little tower. I see a box over at this little tower thing. That's a question mark on it. Dude. Come here.
Austin, I beat the level.
Wait, you did?
Yeah. So if you go like to the really long straightaway.
How?
And then
did you
like
beat the level?
yeah, if you go to the really long straightaway and you speed across it, you'll see like this big coin star.
Yeet! Ooh, I see it.
Are you eating? How hard are you eating?
Oh, dude. So cool. Wait, what if I stand next to it as supersonic?
I'm gonna stay in the test stage. 01.
Oh, I got it! Wait, what's happening? Thank you for playing Alpha Demo. Oh, it's a demo? I didn't know it was actually.
Yeah.
Let me replay it. I want to replay right now. Eat, let's go. Oh, dude, when you finish the level, reset your rings.
Alright, I'm back. Yeah. Scared me. Wait. Sonic? Rock.
Yes, it is Sonic. It is Sonic. It is Sanic. Yes.
Now watch this. Unless I got away with that. Where's this? Woo!
Oh my gosh! I thought I would actually fail. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me just collect all these coins. What's here? 50. Dude, I can turn into supersonic! Let's go, boys.
Okay, so being supersonic,
dude,
it just takes your rings
away your rings. It's very weird. It's very weird, dude. I'm not sure.
Supersonic is
like supersonic, you can do it for a limited amount of time. If you have a lot of rings, though, it doesn't really matter. Whee! Oh my god, that was cool. Let's just explore the map.
Aiden.
Gotta go! Come on. Let's go, go. Are you supersonic? Are you supersonic, boy?
No way.
Dude, I've been wondering this for the longest of time. What if I go in this? What if I go in this place? What will happen?
What place?
The box near the tower.
The box? Oh, hold on, wait for me for that.
Oh, there you are. Okay. What if you going in? Oh my god! What?
You just got it.
Woo! Dude, Nintendo's in the game.
Wait in. It's real cargo, right?
Oh, hold shift to go down.
Wait it. Stop it. Ready? It keeps messing with my ASP card.
No! Oh, man.
I know, I have it at the desk where I'm playing, and then he was...
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Oh my gosh, dude.
Right.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. I am going supersonic speeds, bro. Dude, you can literally just have rings and just not do it. Please, hold I'm just gonna kill myself. Oh, I can't reset! Dude, what
I did it!
What'd you do? What'd you do?
Nothing.
Is it boy?
Oh, I did it again!
Oh my gosh, dude! When you do super speed as regular Sonic, it literally takes no rings away. I do not want to say what I was about to say because of copyright reasons. I do not want to say what I was just about to say because of copyright reasons. Yeet.
That's not new at all. Why do you say that? Austin, meet me as Supersonic in front of like the super speeds.
As front of the what?
Like meet me as Supersonic in front of the super speeds.
Instead, in front of the super.
Like the speeds by the air rings, like by the rings that are in the air.
Oh, do you mean the tower?
No. Meet me by where you collect the rings. In the shop.
These
Copyright.
rings? Copyright reasons.
I mean,
Copyright reasons, bro.
Me and Austin are. Don't worry, Austin. We'll just edit Aiden out of the whole video. Yeah, plus Aiden, we're just editing you out, so.
Alright, well, dude, we have 2 minutes. Dude, we have 2 minutes left.
Wait. Meet me by the really long path with the treadmills.
Really long path by the treadmills. Great speech.
Fine.
Okay, what do you want to say for the outro?
Wear your seatbelt. Don't eat Tide Pods. Do you have any tricks?
And well, guys, you have heard from the master himself. You have heard from the master himself. And guys, I will see you probably.
Secret ending.
Yeah, well, cool.
On a secret ending, Austin.
Alright. Well, guys, I will see you later. Probably tomorrow, but okay. But I guess tomorrow, I don't know,
And
but I
away
guess,
I go.
bye!